I hope that you guys are enjoying putting together these context clues puzzles. Just as a reminder, you are going to read the box and you're trying to figure out what that unknown word means. So, as you have probably noticed, these underlined words are make believe. They are not real words. So, we're trying to figure out what word fits in that sentence. So, you are going to read the sentence, select the word, and drag the picture onto that box. We are not trying to solve the puzzle over here on the side by itself without putting it on the pictures because that defeats the purpose. So let's try one together. The dog loves to chew on his nochin. It's his favorite treat. What does nochin mean? Costume, orange, sweets, cobwebs, creepy, night, bat, carve, pumpkin, October, werewolf, bone. So, what do we think the dog loves to chew on? I would select the word bone. We are going to take that word and plug it in before we move it just to make sure that our sentence makes sense. So, the dog loves to chew on his bone. It's his favorite treat. Does that make sense? Yes, it does. So, we are going to drag that box over, and there is the first piece of your puzzle.